This is Donna. I'm trying to add in the sound after the fact because when I recorded it, the microphone wasn't working. I'm working on digitizing a little gnome. I'd started on it before I thought about recording it. I've got part of the legs and the part of the shoes done right here. Next, I'm going to be working on the purple for the hat. So we'll go ahead and start on this. Um, just working all the way around, trying to make sure that I leave a little bit of an overlap in, especially kind of for the beard, but I don't really want too terribly much to be there because it'll kind of show through when we do put the beard in. So just playing around here. It takes a little while to go around here. How's everyone doing? Are you ready for spring? I know I am. I'm ready to garden. I am tired of winter, and my winter has not been too terrible. Ice storm and a couple of snows back to back that were a few inches at a time. And I am expecting an Arctic blast next week that will probably be some of the coldest, if not the coldest, temperatures that we've had this year. So I'm not looking forward to that. I want to get out and garden. Anyway, I'm playing around with some digitizing and just thought I'd kick up another video because I haven't done one in a while. This will be part one. I will do another part um, just so that the videos aren't that long. And here I am just going around the outside of the little hat, adding, the lumps and bumps that the artist actually drew in her clip art. Um, this particular clip art is from Busy Hands Creations on Etsy. The artist's name is actually Trina Walker. I love her cute little work. This is one you can get in a PNG for sublimation, and I think that would look really well done that way too. But I'm just embroidering my take on it, or digitizing my take on it for an embroidery design, um, just because I thought it would be cute. A little Mardi Gras fun. And I'm going to pick a color. I want a purple, but I don't want it too terrible, too dark. So I have one in mind. I'm just trying to find it an easy way, and I'm not seeing it. So I will pick this Lori Lilac there and see if I can find the right color that way. I'm going to end up going for the iris there. I think it'll work better. I was looking at some of the other colors, but I think I am going to go with the iris. And let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I think I can do that color. So the next part I'm going to do is the black part of the eyes. And you can't really see that much of this one right here, but I am going to stick it in. And when I do this over here, I'm going to make sure that I leave enough for some overlap with the purple to make sure that we get good coverage. a little less so kind of on the beard and the skin, because we would hate for that black to show through. Changing my underlays the way I like them. And we will set this color to black, or as Marathon calls it, dark gray. But it is their black. Then I will go in and do the purple that is right beside it. Change my angle. And then we'll go in and do the other eye. Again, leave just a little bit of overlap for the beard, not too terribly much. Some for the green. Set my underlay. Generate the stitches, and I'm going to make those the same color as the iris. Actually, I'm going to group them now. And I am going to move that in front of the black ones, so that the black will stitch first and then the purple. So that's how that will look. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the green. And we're going to start more towards the center so that it won't have that much of a break, or it probably won't even cut the thread. And we will go ahead and do the other eye right now. I'm going to set my end point right here, so that when I start the balloon, it can start from that point. And we're going to work on the balloon. Make sure I capture the edge of that purple there, and I will make sure there's a little bit of an overlap over here so that there's not the gap between that green and the purple balloon. I'm going to stick my end point down here. And we can go ahead and finish off this portion of this balloon. Oops, need to change my parameters the way I like them with the underlay, and do that again. Now we will go in and do the little bottom part of the balloon. I'm going to make it auto column. Look at it, see what it looks like. No, I don't think the auto column looks there, so I'll just go ahead and make it a plain fill again. That satin just didn't look right. So I went in and I edited, and I had it on pause so you didn't see it, to make sure this purple came all the way down. Now I'm changing the color for the eyes and the balloon to be the same green as the pants. Next, I'm going to work on the gold balloon. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I am working on the outline here around the glasses. I'm going to be using a candle wick. As I said before, I'm overlaying this sound with what I was trying to do after the fact, because my microphone was not working originally. So I'm going in to select candle wick. I'm changing my width to be 3 millimeters and my length to be 3, and my max length to be 3. I want them right up next to each other. And I can see how it looks now, and I can see that it's going over the edge, so I'm going to move this up to try to get it to where that the candle wick is not under the beard. Move this up a little bit more. I can live with that there. And I'm going to do the same with this. I'm going to change the color to a shimmering gold. Now let's go do the balloon. I'm going to do the balloon in the same color. I'm going to start this one actually on the bottom. So just to make sure that I leave a little bit of overlap for the purple balloon. Not too terribly much, just a little. And we're going around finishing this one up. I'm going to change the angle a little bit. Set my underlay. And then I'll go do the very bottom of the balloon. I group them and changing the color to the shimmering gold again. Start working on the purple balloon. do the last little part down here. Get that over just where it's touching the edge of the green. Changing the angle. Generate the stitches. And make it the same color as the other purple. Let's look at it. It's looking pretty good. I like it so far. Change the angle a little bit on the balloon. I think that looks a little bit better. So we'll go with that one for now. Now let's start working on the beard. I'm going to start up here in this corner and just kind of go around. Do a good outline. Keep it close to what Trina had. Again, her shop is Busy Hands Creations. I like her artwork. I think it's super cute. So you can always, if you are wanting to learn to digitize, go buy this design and digitize or her artwork for it and digitize along. And for the skin, for his nose, we're going to leave a little bit of an overlap with the beard. I'm going to change the stitch angle. Oh, nope, I didn't. I'm changing the color to be Whisper White. Look at it that way. And now let's go in and change this angle. And I like it like that, so I'm going to leave it like that. And that is going to be the end of this video right here, since it's going to be more detailed going forward. I didn't want it to be too long, so this is this one. Look for part 2 coming soon. Bye.